What's up, everybody? And today we're going to be playing Greenville once again, and we have some exciting news today. They just released a new update with 7 new cars, some highly anticipated cars that I showed you in the leaks, and they are here, better than ever, and Greenville did just an amazing job like they always do. So let's hop right into it with the first car. First car is the 2022 Ford Bronco, also known as the 2022 Falcon Rampage. This thing is incredible. The detail they put into this, like the 3D grills, like it's just amazing. The detail they put into this, like amazing. Beautiful. Love those LEDs. Get our taillights, headlights, turn signal, LED, LED, back as well. Let's go for a top speed run. This is an off-roader, so I can take it over anything. It'll handle it. I don't really like, I'm not that big on trucks, so it's gonna be my off-roader vehicle for sure. Okay, so we're getting up to speed here. Okay, so 2022 Ford Bronco maxes out at a speed of 134 miles an hour, which is actually really good. Just takes a while to get up there. But anyway, let's move on to the next vehicle as my car rolls away. Okay, so next vehicle on my list is a 2022 Western Motors Protogen. Very, very nice. Very similar to the WM convertible. Same front end, except they updated the turn signals and it looks so nice on this model. So beautiful. I was looking forward to this car. I've been really looking forward to this vehicle coming for like the past couple of weeks. So now that it's here, it's literally better than ever and amazing. Let's hop in. We hopped in the back. There we go. Tail lights, headlights. Of course, everything's going to be LED. Your turn signals. Beautiful. LEDs. That's so cool. Look at that. Let's go for a top speed run as we jump over the block. Okay, here we go. This thing actually gets up to speed very quick. Okay, so the Protogen maxes out at a speed of 150 miles an hour. Okay, so next car on our list is the 2002 BMW 5 Series, also known as the 2002 BKM Golf Fielding. Very beautiful. Low-key love this color. So cool. Well, I love this era of the BMW 5 Series. Really, really nice. Let's hop in. LEDs at this era, that's insane. Like, insane. Like, BMW, wow. Okay, turn signals. Yet again, very nice. Let's go for a top speed run. This thing's actually very zippy. Wow, this thing is impressive. Okay, so top speed for the 2002 BMW 5 Series at 142 miles an hour. Let's move on to the next vehicle. Okay, so next on the list is the 2004 Saturn. I don't know what model, but it's also known as 2004 Milwaukee Maxim. This thing looks like a big jelly bean, but that's my opinion. Got a roof rack though. I don't like white jelly beans, do you? But this thing is reminding me of them. Not good vibes, do not like white jelly beans. Got your turn signals. Headlights, of course. Very nice. Let's go for our top speed run. Okay, so the 2004 Saturn Max is out at a speed of 127 miles an hour. Let's move on to the next vehicle. Okay, so next on my list is the 2006 Chevron Bajaj Camion, also known as the 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe. So very nice. Let me know what you think about this color. I think it's very ugly, but that's my opinion, and I'll stick with it. What do you guys think? Let's head into it. Nice car, but just ugly color. But I was only really doing this quick, so didn't really care for the color. Just wanted to get the car to show you guys. Signals. And of course, the headlights and taillights are already on. Let's go for a top speed. Slow as can be. Until I get that to speed, of course, then it starts going faster. Okay, so the 2006 Tahoe maxes out at a speed of 129 miles an hour. Let's move on to the next vehicle. Okay, so next on my list is the 2006 Chevron Patrol. Really nice, but same ugly color. This thing I find very long and hard to drive, and also very slow, like the Tahoe. Taillights, headlights, of course. Turn signal's gonna be the exact same except for the back. Okay, let's go for top speed run. This thing is even slower than the Tahoe. No cap. Oh my gosh. This thing is as slow as can be. Okay, now it's getting up to speed. Okay, so the 2006 Silverado maxes out at a speed of 130 miles an hour. Let's move on to the next vehicle. Okay, so the next car is the 1998 Teeny. I'm pretty sure it's also a Volkswagen Bug. Not sure. Beetle. Whatever you call it. Because nice little red sports on here. Hey, don't trying to be too sporty. Little bug. Kind of looks like was red. Kind of be like a ladybug. Neat. Yeah, let's get in. Not my type, but hey, very nice. Of course, it's not LED. It's like a 30-year-old car. Okay, here we go. Top speed run. Okay, so the top speed of the Volkswagen is 66 miles an hour. How pathetic. Oh well. Oh, and also, did we not just notice that the hood scoop is a way off centered on this thing? Okay, I'm just gonna get out of that thing. Okay, so the last vehicle for today is the 2001 Falcon Prime EQ's P71 Fire Rescue, also known as, of course, the Fire Rescue Crown Victoria. Very nice. It's actually the first fire emergency vehicle that I've ever purchased in Greenville. Without the pass, of course, but it'll all be one pass now, so you'll have no choice but to get the pass. Taillights, headlights, signal. Pretty hard signal. It's coming from the same place as the light. Not the most convenient thing in the world. Okay, check out the light bar. Very nice. Let's go for a top speed run. This thing's probably not too quick, but we'll see. Actually, it is very quick. I really underestimated this thing. Holy. Okay, so the Crown Victoria maxes out at a speed of 150 miles an hour. Oh my gosh, my car. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the 7 new cars in Greenville. Once again, Greenville, you've done so well, so well, with updating your game. So many new, great pieces of automobiles that you added. Just, I'm really blown away at how many uh, details you did in this car update, and I just really appreciate it. So thank you so much to Greenville for updating this, and thank you so much for everybody for the support. Just reached 10 subscribers. Really appreciate it. Subscribe down below so we can try to get to 20. Really appreciate it, like I said. And without further ado, it's from Brace Place, and peace out.